Hello everyone, Dr. Eglo here. I would like to give you a brief introduction into usage of the e-textbook feature that we will be utilizing in this online course. Okay, once you have logged into the software platform for this online course, you will see a listing of your courses. Now I'm giving you a generalized video tutorial, so your course is most likely going to be different than what I'm demonstrating here, so just utilize this video tutorial as a generalized introduction. I will be demonstrating with my human sexuality class. You click into the course, you are brought into the announcement page area, and then on the left here you will see the blue navigation bar. Okay, this is for Blackboard. This online platform may change at some point, but for this semester, this term we will be utilizing Blackboard. Now, one thing I will be mentioning later on in this tutorial are summary notes. Here you click on the course materials area and then into a specific week's lecture. You will see a lecture folder and you will see a folder that says summaries. Okay, you will have specific pages to access my summary notes, so keep that in the back of your mind when I mention that in a few minutes. Okay, to get to the ebook itself, again, in the blue tutorial area, you will see a link that says e-text that shows you another link in the middle of the page that says e-text. You click on that. You will be brought into a separate tab that will have a listing of all your books. Once you click on the e-text link within the online software platform, again, you will be brought into the e-text area in a separate web browser tab. You will first notice that you see a list of all the ebooks that are available to you in a particular term. You do need to check that you are in the correct term. Okay, so you do this in the upper left corner here. You see this link with the down arrow. When you click that down arrow, you will see a listing of all the terms that you have been enrolled in here at Berkeley College. Okay, so make sure you are in the correct term. And then you find your book, and to get into that book, you simply click on the book. Again, your ebook may be different for your specific course, so just use this brief video, as a general tutorial. The software is also updated occasionally, so always check for any updates. Okay, once I'm in the book, the first thing I like to do in the upper right corner, the three dots, I like to change the viewing size to make it more appropriate to my home computer or whatever computer you're working at. So again, you click on the three dots and you see the zoom feature here that you can adjust the viewing size. Next, in the upper left corner of the book, you have these horizontal lines. Okay, click on that to see the table of contents on the book. So you see all the chapters, the naming of each specific chapter, along with the page numbering of those chapters. You also have a separate area here for your bookmarks. Okay, so again, click on the upper left corner, the horizontal lines, to get to the table of contents. You can also maneuver to a specific page by typing in the page number and then clicking enter on your keypad. So again, thanks to the horizontal lines, you have this area that you could type in. You type in a specific page number, hit enter on your keyboard, and you are brought to that specific page. And you see here that there will be highlights presented throughout the book that have notes and some field trip links. Again, horizontal lines, you can get back to the cover very easily. Okay, in addition to providing highlights, again, that you just saw within these notes, with notes throughout the assigned readings, I also provide a short summary at the end of each chapter. To access these summary notes, go to the specific page that are instructed in the distance learning software platform. I have tried to maintain some consistency with color coding for the summary notes, and if you see that I've missed some color coding, please email me. Okay, so as we focus on chapter 1 here in this course, you see that I have links and highlights throughout the chapter. Okay, now I'm highlighting certain things that I focus on. I don't highlight everything, so you need to do your summary notes on your own, separate to my summary notes. Okay, so here in chapter 1 for this book's edition, my summary notes are located at the end of the chapter, in this case on page 29. Again, I've tried to maintain color coding consistency. If you click on the highlighted area, you see some notes, and again, you see a link. Here are the chapter summary notes for Chapter 1. You click on that, brings you into a separate area. And now you have the specific Adobe Acrobat PDF file of these summary notes. Okay. Another way to get there is to simply highlight the link if the link is inactive. And then on a PC, you would hit Control-C on your keyboard. On a Mac, it would be Command-C. Highlight it, and then come to a separate web browser to paste in that link. And you will again be brought to those summary notes. To get out of these little pop-up areas, just click the X. Okay, another way to get to all my notes, including these summary notes, in one single viewing page. In the upper right corner again, you have the three dots that we had the zoom feature. At the bottom of that pop-up area, you also have a link that says View All Notes. So if you click that, and it may take a few moments to come up, by clicking on, again, the three dots in the right area, and then click View All Notes. Once loaded, you can then scroll up and down to specific notes for a specific chapter. Okay, this will take a few seconds. Once it comes up again, you can scroll up and down and you see the color coding that I have provided in the book. Again, I have tried to maintain the summary notes with a consistent color coding, and you see here what we saw a second ago. You have the link that would bring you into a separate page. You can either get out of this scrolled area in the upper right corner, you see the X, or if you want to go back to the page directly within the book viewing area, just click on the page itself and you're back here. Again, related to the summary notes, they are usually in the Adobe Acrobat PDF format. If you have any technical issues with Adobe Acrobat, please contact the help desk at 973-278-5400. Okay, that's it for this brief tutorial. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me. See ya.